Yo, what up? We are out here caught in traffic. I just got to go about 2.5 miles into the city to bang out a couple of sessions, but it looks like it's going to take me about a half hour, 45 minutes to go these 2.5 miles. For those of you who have to sit in Boston traffic day in and day out, I commend you. I try to take the Boston Metro every chance I get, but today I have to drive in because I have to jet back to the crib, pick up August for his 15-month appointment. So we're going to be spending pretty much the majority of the day together. Well, all day together because he's not going to daycare today. So you have another episode of Keeping Up with the Scissors. So it should be a fun day. I'm gonna try to take him out to the pond and do some walking around and see what we can get ourselves into today. Also, today is our mastermind meeting, so we're going to be discussing predominantly the summit that we have going on today. Going on in March, this month. So stay tuned. March 20th, mark your calendars. That's going to be the summit. We have a location, and after this meeting, I'm going to talk about the logistics of everything, who you need to be paying attention to, where you need to be getting the information from, and pretty much all the logistics regarding this summit. All right, so stay tuned. Traffic's moving, so let's get to it. Yo, he ain't even get his shot yet. And he's already screaming. Pray for me, dog. Pray for me. August had a miserable time at the doctor's office. Oh, now you're the star of the show. Now you're happy again, huh? He was not feeling it, man. That's like the angriest I've ever seen him behave, like a wild animal, trying to hold him down. It's in my left pocket. Now we gotta drop little mama off to school, and the boys are gonna be kicking it. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. All right, squad, it's official. The Fit Pro Development League, we are putting on our very first summit. Mark your calendars, March 20th. All right, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now the location is going to be 225 Franklin Street, Boston, Massachusetts. Okay, and the name of the room is called The Foundation. Doors open at 6 p.m. So stop watching this video, head over to the link down below and hit us up at the Fit Pro Development League Facebook group, where you'll be able to RSVP via the Eventbrite link. All right, so if you haven't joined the Fit Pro Development League yet, hit that up. If you know me personally, hit me up via text, email, or even DM me, where I'll be able to share with you that RSVP link. And look out, if you do know me, if you're the homie, look out for me sending, because I'm mass sending the link to everyone that I know that's in my contacts. All right, so look out for your boy sending you that link. If we don't know each other and you stumble upon this video and you're in the Boston area or find yourself within the Boston area come March 20th, hit us up in the link below and RSVP via the Eventbrite link in the Fit Pro Development League. All right, so come on, man, this is going to be a momentous occasion, so I gotta see you guys there. All right, anyways, hit that link and then come back to the rest of the video. All right, so before the sun goes down, Mama, me and this little man gonna go on a quick little mission to the grocery store, pick up a few things. All right. Damn, still got this on me. All right, come in here, cuz they need to know. First of all, we need to wipe your mouth. So this advice I'm about to give was unsolicited, but I think it's my duty to help my dads out in these streets. So first up, when him about to go down for bedtime, or baby is about to go down for bedtime, here's the game plan that is tried, tested, and proven. Okay, game time, it starts 3 hours before, okay? The warm up. What you want to do is give him some snacks, keep him occupied, play with him, shoot some hoops in the living room. Get him tired, right? Because, you know, he's going to have tons of energy now, and he's going to be getting his second win, especially coming down from his afternoon nap, right? So you want to keep him occupied. Like what he's doing now. Right now, he's crawling up all over me, expending a ton of energy. That's a good thing.
What is this? The library.
Next up, right, is going to be dinner time. You're gonna sit him down, bump your tunes. My favorite to bump right now is that 2 Chainz album. He seems to love it too, but feel free, if you don't like that ratchet shit, play yourself some jazz, whatever. But set the mood, you know what I mean? You kind of trying to court this baby into, you know, falling asleep. Next up, right, after having dinner, have him digest that dinner a little bit. He's gonna run around some more, right? Now you're gonna start to see him rubbing his eyes and yada yada yada. Then start the bedtime process. We're gonna hop into the no, don't do that. We're gonna hop into the bathroom. We're gonna set the water temperature right. We're gonna set the water temperature right? And then we're gonna strip him of all his clothing. Then we're gonna plop him up in the bathtub. From there, we're going to sort of sud him up, you know, get his hair all nice and did, you know, lather his skin, brush his teeth, because, you know, he has some molars in there. So you gotta, you know, so you don't pay those dental fees. Start brushing his teeth. Then we're going to, oh, I skipped the process. We warmed the bottle up because he gets to get a panic attack every time I leave the bathroom. And you don't want to leave the kids in the bathtub unattended. So warm up the bottle of water, bottle of milk, 5 ounces. Next up, from there, you're going to take him out, lather him up, get him like greased up, oiled up. And then put some diapers on, put his little nighty onesie on. Then dim the lights, feed him his bottle. While you're rocking him to sleep, then you just take him. After the bottle is done, place him into the crib. Walk to the door, turn off the lights, shut the door, and that is it, all right? Give that a try. Let me know what you think. When mommy's away and you left alone, that's the surefire way to get things done, all right? Holla at your boy.
across.
All right, gentlemen, that's how you do it. All right, foolproof. All right, give that a try. Let me know what you think. Uncle C's got your back.